What if I told you that it's possible to make $100,000 in just 30 days without showing your face or even filming a single video yourself? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, because I'm about to show you the exact steps to do it with a faceless YouTube channel. Hey future YouTube moguls! In today's video, I'm going to reveal how you can turn a faceless YouTube channel into a money-making machine, generating up to $100,000 a month. Whether you're a complete beginner or already have some experience on the platform, this method works for anyone, and you don't even need to appear on the camera. From picking the right niche to setting up automated systems that do all the work for you, I'm covering it all. So grab a pen and paper, because this could be the start of something big. Number 1. Choosing a profitable niche. The first step in building a successful faceless YouTube channel is selecting the right niche. To earn $100K a month, you need to choose a niche that has substantial demand, high viewer engagement, and strong monetization potential. Some of the most profitable niches for faceless channels include finance and investing. Channels that focus on personal finance, investing, or cryptocurrency tend to attract a high-paying audience. Companies and financial institutions are willing to pay top dollar for advertising, making this a lucrative niche. Tech and gadgets. Product reviews, unboxings, and tutorials around the latest gadgets always perform well. Since tech companies have big marketing budgets, tech content creators often attract high-paying sponsorships and affiliate commissions. Health and fitness. People are always looking for health tips, workout routines, and weight loss advice. Channels in this niche have the access to profitable sponsorships from fitness brands, supplement companies, and more. Gaming. The gaming industry is enormous, and many gamers make substantial revenue from YouTube without ever showing their face. Whether it's Let's Plays, walkthroughs, or reviews, gaming channels attract a highly engaged audience. Motivation and self-help. Faceless channels offering motivational speeches, self-help advice, or personal development content have huge potential. These type of channels can draw large, loyal followings and attract high-value sponsors. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests, but also ensure that there is significant demand and a strong monetization potential in that niche. Number 2. Creating engaging content without showing your face. You don't need to appear on the camera to create engaging content. Faceless channels use various creative methods to maintain the viewer interest. Voiceovers. Use your own voice or hire a professional voiceover artist. Narrate the video while showing stock footage, animations, or screen recordings. Voiceovers work in almost any niche, from educational content to product reviews. Stock footage and animation. You can use stock footage to tell a story or explain a concept. Animation tools like Vyond or Adobe After Effects allow you to create engaging animated videos, especially in educational or business niches. Screen recording. This method is perfect for tutorial or gaming channels. Use screen recording software like OBS Studio, Camtasia, or ScreenFlow to create content that shows off software, gameplay, or walkthroughs. Slideshow videos. Simple yet effective, slideshow videos are ideal for list-based content, such as top 10 videos or guides. You can create them using tools like Google Slides or PowerPoint, combined with a voiceover. The key is to produce high-quality content that provides value to the audience without requiring you to be on camera. Number 3. Optimizing videos for growth and SEO. Creating quality content is only half the battle. Making sure people find your videos is just as important. SEO, search engine optimization, is essential for growing your faceless YouTube channel. Keyword research. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find high-demand, low-competition keywords. Target long-tail keywords that people are actively searching for. This will help your video appear in search results and attract more views. Optimize titles and descriptions. Craft attention-grabbing titles that incorporate your target keywords. In your description, provide detailed information about your video, including relevant keywords and phrases. A well-written description improves your SEO. and helps viewers understand what your video is all about. Tags. Tags help YouTube categorize your videos. Use a mix of broad and specific tags related to your video's content. vidIQ and TubeBuddy can help you find the best tags to rank for. Thumbnails. Even without showing your face, create eye-catching thumbnails that stand out in the search results. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and high-quality images to draw attention to your video. Engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. High engagement signals YouTube that your content is valuable, which helps increase its visibility. Number 4. Monetizing your faceless YouTube channel. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel once you start gaining views. To reach $100,000 a month, you need to implement multiple revenue streams. Ad revenue, YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's Partner Program. This allows you to earn money from ads shown on your videos. Channels in high CPM niches like finance and tech earn more per view. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products or services through affiliate links in your video descriptions can be a highly profitable monetization method. When someone buys a product via your link, you earn a commission. Many companies offer lucrative affiliate programs, especially in the tech, finance, and health niches. Sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands will approach you for sponsored videos. For example, tech companies may pay you to review their products, or a fitness brand may sponsor a workout routine video. Sponsored content is one of the most lucrative ways to monetize, especially when you have a highly engaged audience. Selling merchandise. If you have a loyal following, selling branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or other products can be a great way to generate income. You can use platforms like Teespring or Printful to sell products without needing to handle the inventory. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your audience to support your channel financially in exchange for exclusive content or perks. If you have dedicated fans, this can be a consistent income source. Number 5. Scaling your channel to $100,000 per month. To earn $100,000 per month, you need to scale your channel efficiently. Here are a few strategies to boost your income and reach your financial goals. Increase video output. Upload videos consistently. Aim for at least 3 to 5 videos per week. The more videos you have, the more chances you have to earn revenue. But don't compromise quality for quantity. Rather, aim to strike a balance. Repurpose content. Repurpose your long-form content into shorter videos. YouTube Shorts or clips that gain traction on other platforms. Shorts in particular have massive organic reach, so don't miss out on that opportunity. Outsource. As your channel grows, consider outsourcing tasks like video editing, graphic design, or voiceover work. This allows you to focus on scaling your content production, while professionals handle the details. Collaborate with others. Partnering with other creators in your niche can help expand your audience. You can collaborate on joint videos or cross-promote each other's channels in order to reach new viewers. Focus on high CPM content. Some topics attract higher-paying ads than others. Channels focusing on finance, tech, or business typically have higher CPMs, so prioritize these topics to maximize ad revenue. Earning $100,000 a month from a faceless YouTube channel is achievable with the right strategy. By choosing a profitable niche, creating engaging content, optimizing for SEO, and using multiple monetization methods, you can scale your channel into a highly profitable venture. Consistency, smart scaling, and audience engagement are the keys to reaching that six-figure milestone. Stay focused, keep producing high-quality content, and with time, you will be able to turn your faceless YouTube channel into a money-making machine. Keep hustling, stay creative, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to level up your YouTube game. Until next time, keep pushing forward.